Rasta VIBES and Yakin Boats, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Gentle sound, river whisper, rolling round. My mind drift free, my spirit sway. Ready for chant a brighter day. Me walk along the quiet bank. Give thanks for blessing when me thank. Water shimmer, silver blue. Carry secrets old and new. Me stop for listen, touch the floor, feel a rhythm deep below. It speak of trial, speak of win. Each our journeys must begin. A fisherman cast with patient hand, master of the tide and sun. He tell me stories about the sea, how every wave set people free. His wisdom simple, still profound. Grown my thoughts with stable sound. He said take life step by step. Every movement all a depth. River of echo speak to me. Guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong. Teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient tune. Glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile. Wash me heart and make it smile. Wash me heart, make it smile. Me cross a bridge of timber all. Hear footsteps of stories told. The wood play cards beneath my feet. Steady pulse, so soft, so sweet. Me witness youths dance by the shore. Free like never before. Them turn the river into stage. Calm the mind, unlock the cage. Nightfall dress the world in blue. Crickets start to sing anew. Moonlight kiss the water skin. Make it glow from deep within. Me feel the truth rise up again. Flow through me like healing rain. The river carry joy and tears. Stories stuck from ancient years. Listen close, the current speak. Words of strength when you're weak. Follow where your spirit go. Life flow sure like river flow. River of echo speak to me. Guide my soul to clarity. Flowing wide, flowing strong. Teach me how to right the wrong. River of echoes, ancient truth. Glow beneath the rising moon. Carry truth down every mile. Wash me heart and make it smile. So when the nights get too heavy, find a river calm and steady. Sit and listen, a peaceful pace. My spirit rise with the morning glow, calling me forth to let love grow. Me wander through the city lane, hear footsteps echo joy and pain. Some people searching, some people hide, but every soul drifting pon the same tide. Me whisper strength to the broken youth, tell them stand firm, walk with truth. Me see them eyes light up again, hope bloom fresh like after rain. Me pass the market, colors bright, voices mixing, pure delight. Tell stories deep and wise, bout how unity lift we to the skies. Me soak it in like sacred rhyme, words were sharpen every time. Me heartbeat steady on the road, carry the weight of a peaceful load. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. Me see a mother calm her child, tell him why the world feel wild. Her voice so soft, her courage tall, a reminder love outshine it all. People gather near the shore, sing them chants from long before. Old rhythm move through every ear, call the people far and near. Nightfall spread a velvet glow, stars them flicker like a show. The drums start beating, steady waves, carrying memories of ancient days. Every dance step tell a tale, faith sails strong like mighty gale. Me feel the unity deep inside, flowing soft like the golden tide. Lift up your mind, lift up your soul. Together we strong, together we hold. No fear can break what love create. Every heart born fi elevate. Hear the breeze, hear the beat, let the harmony make you complete. Golden tide flow, lift we higher, warm up the world with gentle fire. Every heartbeat find its place, every soul shine with grace. Golden tide flow, never fade, turn every shadow into shade. Rise as one, let love decide. We move together on the golden tide. So when the night feel cold or wide, let your spirit be your guide. Hold the joy we live inside, and float forever on the golden tide. Aye, 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 aye. Night air cool on me skin tonight. Lanterns glow with gentle lights. Me heart feel open, mind feel clear, calling blessings far and near. Me stroll through streets soft lit and warm, shadow shape a quiet farm. People move with easy grace, joy reflecting every face. Me hear two elders reason deep, both promises we need to keep. Them words like fire in the cold, wisdom never growing old. A young musician play his tune, soft like silver, bright like moon. He sing of dreams he want to chase, Rap feel listen, feel the spark. His melody lights up the dark. Me tell him continue, never fear. Your song soon travel far and near. Lanterns in the distance shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. Me wander toward the hillside slope, find a group chanting songs of hope. Harmony float like sacred breeze, flow through branches, touch the trees. Me join them with a humble tone, feel vibration in every bone. Connection deep, connection real, a unity nothing can steal. Down the valley voices spread, people lift them weary head. Lanterns drifting toward the sky, send up prayers high and high. Me stand and watch the colors rise, blend with stars before me eyes. Every glow a humble sign, that darkness fade when hearts align. Light the mind, light the way, even small sparks chase gray. Every soul whole ember bright, share it freely through the night. Lanterns in the distance shine, guide the weary, pure divine. Lead we through the darkest hour, fill the heart with healing power. Lanterns rising one by one, glow like hope before the sun. Keep the spirit warm and bright, carry courage through the night. So keep your lantern held up high, let it burn against the sky. Wherever trouble try to roam, your inner light will lead you home.
Nah, 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 nah. Jah bless the people at the falls. Babylon system break, yeah man. Me climb the mountain, mist and rain. Every step release me pain. The higher me go, the clearer me sight. Jah light shine bright. Birds chant hymns above the tree. Nature speak to me. Mountain of Zion stand so tall, Jah love over all. Me tread the path of faith and grace. The wind caress me face. No easy road, but Jah me trust. Me rise from dust to dust. Them tell me give up, me say no. The summit still a glow. Every struggle shape me soul, Jah make me whole. Me see the wicked build them throne, but them can't rule alone. Me see the humble grow in might, guided by the light. Me carry the banner red, gold, green, symbol of the unseen. Freedom born in humble heart, Jah masterpiece of art. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way, Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride, truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Me look down pon the valley deep, where many lose and weep. But from the top me sight the dawn, new creation born. Me feel the wind whisper Jah name, set me heart aflame. No stone, no storm can shake what Jah creates. Elders chant beneath the tree, say Jah set the captives free. Children play with laughter bright, pure delight. Me see the rainbow stretch so far, peace beyond the scar. On Zion mountain, me stand firm, Jah lesson me learn. When me weary, Jah restore me strength once more. From child come wisdom clear, Jah forever near. The mountain high, but Jah and true, carry me through. Each step me take in devotion, heart full of emotion. Mountain of Zion me climb high, touch the clouds, reach the sky. No Babylon power can block me way, Jah protect me night and day. Mountain of Zion rising pride, truth are the guide. Every soul that seek Jah face, find eternal grace. Mountain high, me spirit free. Zion dwell in me. No evil can stand the sound when Rasta come around. Me look on the sunset red, give thanks for life me tread. Mountain of Zion, me own forever. Love bind we together.
Ay, ay, ay. Ganja and Zion Raga. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, ah. Ay, ay, ay. Ganja and Zion Raga, yeah, man. Wake up to the ancient beat, drum talk under me feet, wind whisper through the trees, carry Jah message pon the breeze, from Africa to Caribbean shore, me spirit open more and more, Aye, 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 aye. Aye, aye, aye. Earth feel calm in the early mist. Nature whisper like a gentle twist. Me take a breath, me take it slow. Jah melody start to flow. The hillside covered in morning dew. Fresh breeze carry a vibrant hue. Me walk the path with steady stride. No rush, no worry, just pure pride. Me see the youth, them lift them head. Shake off doubt from what was said. Me tell them focus on your dreams. Even rivers start as streams. A sculptor carved stone by the lane. His hands covered in dust and pain. But from the rock come shape and grace. Strength and beauty share one space. Me reason with him for a while. He teach me patience, teach me style. He say every block hide a hidden key. Carve with love and truth you'll see. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. Me step through town as sun get bright. Every corner full of life and light. Children paint murals on the wall. Colorize and never fall. Me feel the vibes in every stroke. Future built from word and spoken creativity. A healing field. Brush and drum become the shield. Evening comes soft like cotton cloth. Birds them settle, breeze blow warm. Me sit and watch the skyline glow. City heartbeat, calm and slow. People gather for small delight. Share them music through the night. Harmony rise in every tone. Blend like breeze, shaping stone. Stand firm like mountain tall, but stay flexible through it all. Life a dance between strong and free. Hold the balance, let it be. Stone and breeze in harmony. Strength and calm in unity. Hold your balance, hold your ground. Let your peace be deep and sound. Stone and breeze in one accord. Move with life, give thanks to Lord. Hold the center, let it ease. Live like stone and flow like breeze. When trouble rise or tension freeze, remember the wisdom of stone and breeze. Stay grounded, strong, but light in mind, and peace will follow every time. Every time. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. Sound the drum from Zion Hill, heartbeat of the Father's will. It called the nations, call them near. Zion drumbeat we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drumbeat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound. Zion drumbeat all around. Zion drumbeat ever steady, pure and wide. Zion drumbeat, holy tide. It heal the weary, lift the meek. Zion drumbeat, all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drumbeat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun. Zion drumbeat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall. Zion drumbeat for all. Forever thundering, pure and true. Zion drumbeat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame. Zion drumbeat praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall. Zion drumbeat bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone. Zion drumbeat keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth. Zion drumbeat Jah truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound. Zion drumbeat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drumbeat still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion drumbeat bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drumbeat show Jah way. Eternal thumping, pure and free. Zion drumbeat destiny. Beat high, beat low. Zion drumbeat make it flow. No chain, no war can stop the tone. Zion drumbeat set the throne. Zion drumbeat, strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song. Zion drumbeat keep it strong. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion drumbeat still carry on.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Marcus roll this spliff, ya man. Lift your eyes to the midnight sky. Stars above the nation testify. Silent witness shining bright. Guide the people through the night. Not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way. Stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale. Truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea. Stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still. Stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream. Stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed. Broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shining line. Signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim. Stars of Zion, carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame. Stars exalt your holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide. Stars of Zion, still guide. Burn, burn, never die. Stars of Zion, fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright, lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone. Stars of Zion, carry on. Forever burning clear and true. Stars above still guide you through the darkness, through the pain. Stars of Zion still remain. Nah, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruits. Zion garden, Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden, praise His name. Zion garden, praise His name. Zion garden, it feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden, always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden, shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden, make it grow. Forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden, holy tide. Me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden, never done. It bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden, heal the pain. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden, carry you. It grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden, just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden, Jah made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jah hand. Forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden, destiny. It grow the earth, it grow the love. Zion garden, gift from above. When the trumpet sound again, Zion garden still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion garden, bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden, show Jah way. Eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden, Jah song. Grow high, grow free. Zion garden, eternity. No drought, no war can spoil the soil. Zion garden, bless the toil. Zion garden,
lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame, Zion garden praise his name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion garden still carry on. Zion garden still carry on. Zion garden still carry on. Zion Jah bless the land and the people, yeah man. Deep within this sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, not by might, garden grow in Jah light. Living roots entwined so free, carrying love eternally. Whisper soft, a breeze of peace. Garden song shall never cease. Fruit of wisdom, fruit of grace. Feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy, shade of care. Garden shelter everywhere. Every herb a holy sign. Medicine of Jah divine. Water pure flowing still. Garden grow by Jah will. From the river songs arise. Healing shine before the eyes. Generations plant again. Garden heal the heart of men. No more hunger, no more war. Roots of Zion spread afar. Every vine a sacred line. Carry strength through space and time. us all. Ever living, ever new. Garden of Jah carry you.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man, it's so high. A music player man. Hear the pounding in the street. Iron drumbeat move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends. Rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll. Iron drum, ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march upon iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. Iron drum, close all the gaps. Concrete crack beneath the sound. Drum of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane. Iron drum erase the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall. Drum of Zion call them all. Through the fire, through the fight. Iron drum a guiding light. Strike the skin, release
sun pa me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Rootsman heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke, fi run away. Me smoke fi clear, me in a way. Earth provide this plant of peace. A sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a Rootsman higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky. Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland. This sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame. But still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with Rootsman ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Ay, 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 ay. Smoke and meditate, yeah, man. Me see the towers reach the sky, but truth no living lie. Me feel the wind of judgment near. Jah voice me hear. The world tremble, the system shake. Cause the people awake. Babylon falling, me see the sign. Redemption time, them build them kingdom pon the seat. Them feed the poor with defeat. But every stone them stack so high. Soon crumble, soon dry. The earth cry out in pain. Jah wash it clean again. Them can't hide behind them gold. The prophecy unfold. Me see the youth them wise again. Rising out the chain. Me see the people gather round. Freedom sound. No more leaders full of pride. Truth can't hide. Them try to silence your name, but still it flame. Babylon falling, hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon falling, no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Me see the mother hold her child. Say justice no fi mile. Me see the father chant a prayer. Jah always there. Me see the system lose control. People claim back soul. Me stand up tall and chant me line. Time fi redefine. Me no rejoice in another's fall. Me just answer Jah call. Cause from the ruin come rebirth. New
heaven, new earth, me see the sunrise, gold and red. A sign for what Jah said. Babylon fall, but we still stand, guided by Jah and tears turn river, pain turn song. Rasta never wrong, we build again from dust and clay. Jah show the way, no crown for the wicked king. Only truth we sing, me hear the thunder roll and call. Babylon fall in hear the sound. Walls are tumble to the ground. Truth are the weapon, love the key. Set the captives free. Babylon fall in no delay. Jah kingdom pave the way. Every lie must fade and burn. Righteousness return. Babylon gone. Babylon gone. Go. Babylon, Babylon, Babylon fall. Babylon. Zion land, holy spark of Jahan. It blaze eternal, never gone. Zion fire blazing strong. It burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure the holy light. Every spark eternal flame. Zion fire exalt Jah name. It guide the children, guide the meek. Zion fire all people seek. Forever burning, never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day. Forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire holy tight. Me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion fire never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire forever reign. Forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire, Jah song. No Babylon can dim the flame. Zion fire praise his name. Eternal burning, pure and free. Zion fire destiny. It blaze the nations, blaze the sea. Zion fire eternity. from dusk to dawn. Zion, fire still carry on.
Na 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 na. Peace for the world. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jah call the people to begin. No silence, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try fi hush, them try fi hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth, all them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. We hear
voice of the people strong. Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. Me hear the rhythm through the crowd. The chant a sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me see the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. We
voice of the people strong.
yeah.
Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame.
Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky.
So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Smoke with Zion, yeah man. Yeah man. Me rise before the morning sun. Another battle soon begun. Me feel the wind upon me face. Jah guide me in this place. From the ashes of oppression grow a strength that Babylon I know. Lion spirit waking at the heart. Freedom art. Me see the people stand again. After centuries of pain, the fire inside can't be tamed. No more shackles, no more chains. Me chant for the poor and weak. Give voice for them who can't speak. Every drum beat, every cry echo through the sky. Me trod the road them people
behave with lies, still me hold me head high. Them system code like steel and stone, but me nah walk alone. Me hear the whisper in a deep breeze. Rasta youth stand in peace. Truth no fade, love no die. Me lift me eyes to the sky. Fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Me see the wicked try divide, but unity can't hide. From Kingston town to Addis Ababa, the chant of Rasta louder. Me see the youths them wise and proud, chant redemption loud. Me know Jah time soon come, the battle soon done. Me look on the mountain tall, hear creation call. Every leaf and every tree whisper Jah melody. Me see the river shining clear, wash away me fear. Lion run through the land, justice in a Jah hand. No chain can bind a righteous man. No force can stop Jah plan. From darkness come the light. Rasta keep it bright. Me chant me psalm through every storm. Spirit transform me, walk with courage, faith and song. For the journey long, fly on the wings of the lion. Strong and bold Zion, Zion. Rise above the pain and fight. Hold the flame, keep the light. Fly on the wings of the lion free. Power deep like the sea. Jah protect we night and day. Lead we on the righteous way. Fly on the wings of the lion. Soaring high. Freedom paint the sky. No chain, no gun, no king can silence Jah within. Me rest my soul upon higher ground. Peace and truth surround. Wings of the lion carry me home to Jah eternal throne. Forever free, forever strong. Jah love live long.
Na na na, Rasta man chant, yeah man. Under the moonlight, calm and still. Jah presence bless the hill. Stars above them shine so clear. Rasta spirit always near. Me sit and reason pon the stone. Never walk this path alone. Me feel the rhythm in a breeze. Jah comfort me with ease. Every sound from near and far guide me where the blessings are. Me chant for hope, me chant for love. Peace descend from above. The fire blaze, the chalice glow. Wisdom flow, me spirit grow. Me see the world in Jah design. Everything aligned, no envy, greed or pride. Just light from deep inside. Me walk with faith, me walk with care. Jah glory everywhere. Rasta Moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one song. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. One na 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 na, yeah. Me hear the drum beat soft and low. Ancient voices start to show. Me feel the healing deep within. Jah kingdom never dim. Every man and woman true. Jah light shine through you. From the mountain to the sea. Rasta live in harmony. Me chant for unity, me chant for peace. Love and mercy never cease.
The night so calm, the heart so pure. Jah love forever sure. Me rise, me pray, me sing. Jah bless in everything. No fear can shake me ground. Love forever song. Rasta Moonlight shine. Bless the heart, bless the mind. One love, one truth, one sound. Jah presence all around. Light the night, guide the day. Lead me on Jah way. So when the dawn begin to glow, remember Jah wherever you go. One heart, one love, one flame, forever in Jah name. Forever da 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 da.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Ragaya man.
Me rise up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nights, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot pon sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingi sound. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Me no follow vanity road. Me build me life by natural code. Me till the soil and plant the seed. Not just herb but spiritual need. Me chant the name of Jah Most High. Him day in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson me learn and grow. Rootsman way the only way me know. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Drummer beat, me foot them move. Me in a Zion, healing groove. Me nah run race for the system game. Me chant for truth, not just fame. Me born illusion, me born the lie. Me lift me eyes to the open sky. Rootsman rise in a morning light. We born the darkness, chant the right. Me see me people wake from sleep. The chains break, the knowledge deep. Me reason with elders under tree. Them say son keep Jah company. Me hold the vibe, me pass it on. From generation until Babylon gone. Me chant